Hey everyone, welcome back to my 12 Days of FabFitFun. Today is day number 6. So let's look for lucky door number 6. And here it is down here in the lower right hand corner. So let's just rip into that. See what we have. And today we have a nice big tube of It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner. Now this does have a retail value of $24.99. I am really looking forward to trying this. I mean, for years and years now I've had people recommend this to me, talk about it. I've heard nothing but good things, but I never actually got around to trying it. I'd have it in my cart on Amazon and forget about it and then be like, I still have some leave-in conditioner. I still have like 2 tubes of deep conditioner, but I happen to be semi-stocked up on deep conditioner, but I'm going to skip this one to the front of the line. So that's it for today. It's a 10, and I'll see you tomorrow.